This is a 18th tutorial from Engine in JavaScript category. Function expression in JavaScript. What is function expression? How we are going to use in JavaScript? We will have some few samples also. What is function expression? Function expression is like a function. It is really assigning the function to the variable, and we will discuss about pros and cons of the function expression. Normally, we will discuss one function like this. We will define like this. It will have the keyword of function and the function name with the parenthesis and function body. So I am having this function and declared. I am trying to call this function as a test. Yes, we are getting the expected output. Okay, this function expression also will be like same, but we have to define as a variable first. For example, test2, I am declaring the variable and assigning this function. Okay, this is called anonymous function. The function without name is called as anonymous function in JavaScript. I am assigning the one anonymous function to the variable. If this is called function expression. If you are assigning one function to the variable, that is called function expression. So here I am trying to access this same thing, test2, but the calling the function and all will be same. Yes, we got the output. This is simply the function expression. Why we are going for this function expression? This function expression will be very simple. In advanced level of ES6 and all, the function expression string into arrow function like that. So the function expression got very peak over there. So in later videos we will came to know more about these things. For now you can understand the function expression is assigning the anonymous function to the variable. Okay, it is looks like very simple, right? What is the disadvantages of this? Let me clear one thing. Okay, I am declaring one more function called test3 in older way. Okay, I am calling this function to here I am printing. If I call this, I am not getting any error. Expected output got here, meaning before declaring the function itself I am trying to call this function, but I didn't get the error. It automatically got executed. So the same thing I am trying with the function expression. I am declaring the function expression, call it as test4. I am trying to call the test4 before the declaration. It moreover similar what we done previous, but I am getting the error. Test is not a function because in function expression the cohesion will happen. I hope you know about this cohesion. Maybe in later videos we came to know that. For for the timing you can understand, whenever we are using the function expression, that the function declaration should be top of that the function calling function should be below of that. Okay, another one disadvantage. If you are declaring as a function, you can't able to override that. If you want to override, the same name has to repeat. Some complexity will be there, but here not like that. If I am maybe I will explain you. If I call now, I won't face an exception. I think so. Yeah, I will face an expression because both code are declare in same line. Here itself I am getting the exception, so it is not getting executed. Maybe I will execute now. Okay, then again I am trying to call that function test4. I am not getting the exception. Okay, now I am assigning the test4 equal to, maybe I can assign var. I am declaring one more variable var 4. I am assigning 2. Okay, before this I will show you one more type of this variable, test4 function. Okay, even test3 in older method, that is also function. So I am assigning one more variable with the same name. I am assigning some integer value. Now if I try to access that test4, I will get an error because the test is not a function. If I check the type of test4, it is number. So there will be a chances to override that function expression. So we have to think about these scenarios and all. Simply the function expression is very simple if you are using in the particular scope, but we have to consider these kind of disadvantages too. Mostly if you are declaring as a function expression, you can use the let or constant over there. So user can't able to modify the things simply. To avoiding these things, still the function should be in the on top of that. We could not ignore that using any logic here. I hope you are clear now about the function expression. If you having the any doubt, you can put the comments in command window. I will clarify that. Thank you. We will meet on